In this video, I will show you how to fix Touchpad not working on Windows 10 or 11 device. To get started, go ahead and head over into your settings. And to be able to do that, you will need to go ahead and head over into the bottom left of your screen. And in here, click on this Windows icon and click on the settings icon. Now on the settings page, you'll need to click on the devices tab to be able to view all of the connected devices on your laptop. Now in here, go ahead and head over into the touchpad or mouse section. So in here, you need to make sure that your mouse, if you're using one, is connected into your laptop. Head over into the touchpad section, and in here, make sure that this is turned on. So the reason that this might not be working on your device is probably because you have this off, which you can actually set off using the FN key and the disable touchpad key. So if that is not a problem, you can go ahead and check your device manager. On your device manager, you need to look for the mouse or touchpad feature on the list of the devices. So click on that mice and other pointing devices. So you need to make sure that you have this updated, so you can simply update that. Make sure that this is up to date and to be able to make it work as well, since that might be the issue. And that is how you can basically solve that. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.